to Shayanita's engaging classroom where learning meets fun. This is the part 6 of the Google Slide series in my YouTube channel. So, first things first, I hope you have not forgotten about your homework. Well, don't worry if you did. I am very generous and have decided to offer you another week to complete it. But I will surely see it next week. Well, not really see it, but if you want me to see it, you can send it on this displayed. Right now, it's being displayed on this Gmail ID. Along with that, in case you don't know what our homework was, this was the homework. You can pause the video and take a look at it. So, let's go to first things first. In the last video also, we covered advantages and disadvantages. We just covered the advantages. So in this video, we are going to be covering the disadvantages. So, what are the disadvantages of Google Slides? Well, let's see. So, Google Slides has a couple of advantages, as said in the last video, and so does it have disadvantages. Now, like I said in the last video, in this channel, I prefer not to give my personal opinion as it may be offensive to other people. Therefore, do not think that I am saying Google Slides is better than PowerPoint or PowerPoint is better than Google Slides. During advantages, I showed you the ways in which Google Slides was better than PowerPoint. And here, I'm going to show you the ways PowerPoint is better than Google Slides. But it's a very big disclaimer. I am not in the side of anyone, okay? So anyways, let's continue. So first disadvantages of Google Slides is that it is internet dependency. Which means that no internet equals to no Google Slides. Now, it's actually not true. Without Wi-Fi, you actually can work if we set it to one of those Wi-Fi less slides. You can set it like that you can access it without the Wi-Fi or like the internet in general. But sadly, you don't get all the features you get with the internet. Whereas PowerPoint, it's a bit slower, but it still works without internet. Next, so I just read what's written down there. No Wi-Fi equals limited powers. Offline mode exists, but it's not always smooth, like I said. Number 2, fewer advanced features. Okay, another thing, if you don't understand anything I say, do not hesitate to pause the video, go back, and then again see it, right? So what I'm going to do is after every point I say, I'm going to say the seconds, and like the minute and seconds at which I talked about that particular point, and then you can go back to that seconds. Okay, fair enough? Right, let's go. So, next is fewer advanced features. What's happening to me? Compared to PowerPoint, animations and design tools are a bit basic. Minimalist era, I guess. Okay, now let me explain it out. So basically, in PowerPoint, you get a number of options. In Google Slides also, you get a number of options for writing videos and stuff. But I would say that in PowerPoint, they're, a bit more advanced kind of thing. Like in Google Slides, you can just, for animations or slide transitions or everything in Google Slides to make it simple for beginners. It has been made very, very basic, but in PowerPoint, which is not for beginners, it has a very nice set of tools which look very basic, not vibrant like Google Slides, but they are actually really, 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 really smart and advanced. You know? So so that's the thing about it. Now, if you didn't understand my point about fewer advanced features, you can go back to 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Next, we have design options are limited. Now, design options. Now, what are design options? You might ask first. And my apologies because I didn't teach you first before actually putting it into the disadvantages. But I had a feeling that, you should probably first get a bit of, what should I say? A bit of theory before starting with practical again, if you get what I mean. So, basically, design options are limited. Design options are like stuff, I don't know. Design options are like, suppose this is a slide, which it isn't, but just consider it since it looks like a slide. So, design options are like, at first, without adding any writing at all, how it's gonna look, that's called design options. Let me try to give you an example. Well, I don't know if you can exactly see half of it, I think. So, now, in Google Slides, like it says here, Google Slides, there is nothing called design, but here, here it is themes, not design, okay? Kind of, you need to see it. So, we have very, very, basic, I should say, which do not look as vibrant. But if you actually ever go to PowerPoint, which I'm thinking of doing the topic once, if you actually go to PowerPoint, it has a very, very nice set of, what you can say, a very, very nice set of design tools, which are just meant to be helping you, nothing else. And I don't know if you're gonna believe me, but it actually looks fabulous. If I show you how it works, if I go and click on this, it's gonna go like this. Again, it's gonna go like this. So many. Let's see. This one, like this, and then you can go and add stuff, whatever you want. So, anyways, you get it. Well done. What I'm gonna do now is, okay, right. Now let's go back to our story. So, what happens in PowerPoint is that the design options are like very, very nice, you could say, probably. Like, the design options are fantastic. Like, you can put up a desk, or it has, I think, less, but it has fantastic design options, whereas PowerPoint does not. Oh, whereas Google Slides does not. I'm going to read out the line. Themes are okay, but not super fancy unless you add extra templates or custom work. So if you didn't understand any of it, go back to 6 minutes, 7 seconds. Next, large file scan lag. Okay, so what about this? Now, in here, it's telling you that large files. Now, what are large files? I'm fairly sure all of you are total computer geniuses, but you might not be. So, I'm going to set you up to a task. Well, not a task, but it's a homework. So, your homework is you need to try and find, or basically in the comment section, you need to write down one. And I repeat, in the comment section, you need to write down like on the basis of your opinion, what do you think is a large file? And if you do know MB, TB, megabytes, terabytes, gigabytes, GB, then according to you, what is considered a large file in the sense of which is above 100 GB, which is above 100 MB maybe. That's upon you to write, and don't forget I'll obviously mention you in my video, next video, or if you're seeing this video a lot later than this week, that is Saturday 10th January 2026, no problem. If you still comment, I'm gonna mention you in the next video which I post depending upon when you're seeing. Okay, so that's your job, to do large files. So basically large files can lag. So if you put down too many images, videos, or like too much of data into one slideshow, then the whole slideshow is gonna like stop working, kind of, you can say. The whole slideshow's gonna totally become like a hanging garden. Like it's not moving, it's stuck in slow motion basically. So you can take it like that, right? So let me read it out, the line. Too many images, videos, or animations and slides might move like it's stuck in a slow motion. Just what I said. Now, if you didn't understand any of it, go back to 10 minutes 35 seconds. And next, last but not least, oh my god, what is happening? I guess it's because I am slurping my favorite hot chocolate with melted marshmallows in my favorite cup. Pretty tempting, isn't it? I know. I didn't have whipped cream though, so I couldn't put it in. But anyways, number 5 is privacy concerns. So the problem is, since it's cloud-based, so the whole, again, I'm pretty sure you know the meaning of cloud-based if you saw my last video. If not, comment below if you know the meaning of cloud-based. Okay, anyways, so basically, since it's cloud-based and the cloud thing is run by Google, that cloud, so your data security, like how much your data can stay, like privacy of your data, that it does not get leaked, totally depends on Google. Now, if you trust Google, then it's okay. If you don't trust Google, like some people are very, very, you know, what can I say? Very, 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 very suspicious about Google. For those people, I don't think it should be fine, because of the privacy concerns. It's fine for schoolwork because it doesn't really matter if schoolwork gets leaked. But if you're doing personal photos or something, it's something to take care of if you don't trust Google. Okay, now if you did not understand this, I forgot the time I started it, so you kind of need to go. It's something 11 minutes after 30 seconds, okay? 11 minutes, 30 seconds. If you go back there, you'll surely find it. So, that's it for today. Remember your homework, which I'm showing up again. Send it to this Gmail ID if you want me to check it and see it and appreciate it. And last of all, remember the question of the day is in 9 minutes 30 seconds, okay? So, that's it for today. Stay safe and stay curious. Till next time, it's me, Shayanita, dropping off. Bye!